Hi guys, Mrs. Shy here. Welcome back to our phonemic awareness activities for groups 2 and 3. We're on week 4, day 2 today, and we're going to start with some rhyming words. So do these words rhyme? So I'm going to say 3 words, and you repeat back the 2 words that rhyme. Food, mood, fly. Food, mood. Good. Remember that rhyming words have the same ending sounds to them. So you're listening for the words that sound the same at the end. Here's our next words. We would good. Would good. Soon so goon. Soon goon. Cook book be. Cook book. Good. All right, for our next activity, I am going to say some words, and then I want you guys to listen to the very first sound in that word. What sound do those words start with? Okay, here's our first one. Pull. P. Good. Roof. Wool. W. School. S. Zoo. Z. Good. Balloon. B. Cool. K. Good. Drool. D. That one's kind of hard because it's a blend. Drool. Dr starts with d sound. Good. All right. For our next activity, I am going to say some sounds that are a word, and you're going to put those sounds together smoothly to make the word. So, for example, if I was to say ooh, put that together and it becomes moo. Good. Here's our next one. G. D. Good. W. D. Z. Woods. M. S. Moose. Sh. K. Shook. Sp. N. Spoon. R. A. K. N. Raccoon. Good. B. L. M. Bloom. And our last one. T. A. T. Oo. Tattoo. Good. All right. Here for our next activity, we are going to listen for the final sound in the word. So what sound do you hear at the very end of the word, the last sound in the word? All right. So I'm actually going to say 2 words, and they both have the same ending sound. So it kind of gives you a couple of tries to listen to that. So here's 2 words. They both end in the same sound. Tell me what that final sound is in both of them. Good wood. D. Full stool. L. Boom groom. M. Moon spoon. N. Hoop loop. P. Good. Boot scoot. T. Moo zoo. Ooh. Good. And then finally, roof goof. Excellent. All right. Let me scroll down here a little bit. for our next activity, this is where we're going to, I'm going to say the word and then we're going to break it down into individual sounds. So how many sounds are in that word? So get your counting fingers out and we're going to count the sounds in these words. For example, if I said the word new, we would break it down into sounds. We'd say n, oo, new. How many? 2. 2 sounds in that word. Here's our next word, book. B, 3 sounds. Mood. M, oo, d. 3 sounds. Wood. W, d. 3 sounds. Loose. L, oo, s. 3 sounds. Flew. L, oo, 3 sounds. Groom. G, oo, 4 sounds. Goose. G, oo, s. 3 sounds. Tooth. T, oo, 3 sounds. And then finally, cashew. This is a big one. K, a, sh, oo. 4 sounds. Let's do that one more time. K, a, sh, oo. 4 sounds. Good. All right, for our next activity, we are going to add a sound onto the end of the word to make a new word. So I'll give you a word, I'll tell you to add a sound to the end, and it's going to make a new word. You tell me what that word is. So if I was to say add n, my new word would be turn. Turn. Good. Here's my next one. Blue, add bloom. Add d. Word. To, add th. Tooth. Lawn, add ch. Launch. Good. Like I launch a rocket into the air. All right, for our next activity, we're going to take a sound off the end of the word and tell me what's left of the word. So, for example, if I was to say spoon, take off the n at the end, well, what would be left? Spoon, spoo, spoo. That would be what was left. Now, it may not be a real word all by itself. I just want you to tell me what part of the word would be left. All right, here's our next word. Farm without the Far. Soon without the n. Sue. Boil without the l. Boy. Stork without the k. Store. Boots without the s. Boot. Surf without the f. Sir. Moon without the n. Moo. Flute without the t. Flew. Good. That one's a little tricky. Remember, it gets trickier as we go, and this is the trickiest one of all, the last one that we do. It's changing out the ending sound. So I'm going to tell you a word, and then I'm going to ask you to change that ending sound to a different sound, and it's going to make a completely new word just by changing out that ending sound. For example, if I was to say the word speed, change the d sound to a ch sound. So think about switching out that final sound. I'm changing d to ch, so then it would become speech. Speech would be my new word. All right, this one's tricky. Get your brains in gear. Here we go. Board, change d to n. Born. Born. Good. Worse, change S to D. Word. Word. Good. Groom, change to P. Group. Group. Breeze, change Z to F. Breathe. Next one. Soon, change N to P. Soup. Soup. Quiz, change Z to K. Quick. Quick. Good. Stitch, change Ch to L. Still. Still. Starve, change V to T. Start. Start. And then finally, grant, change T to D. Grand. Grand. Good. Okay, for our review part today, we are looking at vowel teams. Remember, when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and these are long vowels. So what are some different ways that we can make the long A sound? Well, AI says A, like in train. AY can also say A, like in hay. And then EIGH actually can say A, like in sleigh. That's a very tricky one. All right, here are some ways that we can make that long E sound with vowels. EA can make that long E sound, like in each, peach. EE, vowel digraph EE, makes that long E sound, like in bee. And then vowel digraph IE can also make the E sound in some circumstances, like in thief. All right, our next one that we're going to look at is long I. Here's a couple of ways that we can make the long I sound. IE can say I, like in pie. And then YE also can say I, like in rye. It's a type of plant, rye. And then finally we have long O sound that we're going to look at today. Lots of ways we can make the long O sound. OA can say O, like in boat, boat. OE can say O, like in hoe, like you use for your garden. OU can say O, like in dough, like we use to make bread. And then OW also can say O, like in tow, like a tow truck that hauls in another vehicle. All right, that's all we have today. I will see you guys tomorrow for more phonemic awareness fun. See you then. Bye.